I went through your book. Obviously, you sent me the PDF for 1, 2. Love the illustrations. Illustrations are phenomenal. Good work. Good work. Good work.
Thanks, man.
Walk me through a bird's eye view how we should look at this volume 2 to really how we should fix each one of our, say, back, neck, spine, hip, knee, whatever it might be. How should we see that?
So, so first of all, the book was not intended to be read from cover to cover. I think it's funny when people pick it up and they're like, "Oh my God, I can't read this whole thing." Well, you're not supposed to read the whole thing from cover to cover. It's, you want to go into it with a sort of a curiosity and open it to whatever page. There should be something in there that piques your interest. But especially if you have a specific area of pain. So you saw the body mechanics action plans were divided into 7 sections, 1 for each body region, like neck and shoulder, hip, low back and hip. And so you can go in there and find the location of your pain visually and with words. And then you can just open it up to the action plan that applies to that particular area of pain. And then there is that sequence of events. The action plan follows a sequence of starting out with release so that you're doing the least amount of physical demanding movement to help release the pain. Yeah. So a lot of this, and then you're going to go through the retrain phase and the reinforce phase. And I give guidance for each phase about, are you ready for this phase? Is it time? Do you need to go back and do a little release work? I think what is different about the way that I put this together from most of the exercise books out there is that it's giving permission to start small. And I think it's really important that people not jump into these rehab books and physical therapy books where it's assumed that you can move a certain amount. And most of the time when pain starts, you can't really move. You can't do anything. So it's giving permission and reminders that we can start small, and it's powerful to just take small steps, take it easy on yourself.